Do you remember when 5 of Jamaica's most feared men complained of being beaten by soldiers inside the Horizon Adult Remand Center?
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The 5 inmates' claims of being brutalized sparked a probe by the Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom. The 5 men, Joel Andem, Kevin Richie Poo Tyndale, McLean, Christopher Dogpaw Linton, and Leighton Livety went on a hunger strike on February 29, 2012 to protest over what they claimed to be vicious beatings handed out to them by Jamaica Defence Force soldiers who manned the high-risk security post 11. The 5 men also wrote to the Supreme Court outlining the beatings they were subjected to. However, prison officials countered by describing the men as dangerous criminals. Faced with claims of abuse, then prison boss Lieutenant Colonel Sean Prendergast fired back, saying it was unreasonable to believe that the reputed gangsters were on their best behavior in prison. Some of these individuals have already been convicted. They are very dangerous individuals. Gang leaders who have been convicted of serious crimes, said Prendergast. Calling the 5 inmates very dangerous individuals, Prendergast, who was the Commissioner of Corrections, charged that many of them violently oppose prison rules. He said some of the violent acts were captured on security cameras installed at Security Post 11, where some of the most high-risk inmates are housed. When they turn to violence and steer the violence towards our staff, then we have confrontations, and sometimes that results in injuries, he argued, while confirming that he was aware of incidents involving all 5. Prendergast added that is a far cry from beatings, which gives the impression that they are beaten without any reason or that excessive force is used to have them conform to prison rules, and this is not the case as far as I am concerned. The JDF, in dismissing the allegations, suggested that it was a ploy by the inmates to force prison officials to transfer them back to the general prison population where they can continue their criminal activities. As we continue to frustrate their attempts to influence their gangs, inmates have resorted to doing everything in their power to have themselves removed from JDF custody and incorporated into the general prison population, said Captain Basil Jarrett, JDF Civil Military Cooperation Officer. Without singling out the 5 inmates who raised the allegations, Jarrett said in addition to attacking each other, inmates have used feces and other things to attack JDF personnel. In 2008, an investigation was launched after Joel Andem complained to Justice Gloria Smith in the gun court that a dozen soldiers had beaten him that day. The beating, he said then, happened after he refused to go with them to an upper cell, which made him sick. According to Andem, he had been suffering severe headaches and stomach pains since the alleged incident, in which he alleged he was dragged up a flight of stairs to the cell. After Christopher Dogpaw Linton was allegedly beaten severely by soldiers, the media received letters written by him revealing his discomfort at the ill treatment being reportedly meted out and his cry for help. In the opening paragraph of one of Linton's letter, dated the 30th of January 2012, he said, "My name is Christopher Linton. I need help. I am a remandee at the Horizon Adult Remand Center. I am located on Security Post 11, which is guarded by soldiers, and I am a victim of severe physical abuse. My brother was beaten to death in jail, and I fear the same will happen to me." In another letter to his girlfriend, dated February 22, 2012, a day after the alleged beating took place, Linton complained of awakening with excruciating pain all over his body as a result of the prior assault. "I woke up about 6 this morning with pain all over, babe. I can't open my mouth at this time, like I have a fractured jawbone. I need something published now. The left knee is damaged, and the right shoulder, including my left rib cage, even the middle finger on my left hand. Both jawbones are paining now," Linton wrote. Interestingly, Linton also made reference to the alleged assault on Leighton Livety, which left him with injuries he described as greater than his own. Coke said, "Bust up," and injuries all over. It's cruelty that we are facing. I can't even imagine what is going to happen the next time. Jaja is a piece of man them want send home to my family. He continued, Right now, I am shaking while writing this letter, babe. I was planning on writing you a book. I started the 19th, which was Sunday. This incident stirred up everything. I can't even continue. I think it would have been better if I had died instead of this. It's pure madness. Lord God, have mercy on us. Meanwhile, Linton's lawyer at the time, Diane Jobson, told reporters that she observed that her client had stitches to wounds he had received while in custody. Jobson explained that Linton had what appeared to be stitches on his chin, cuts and so on to his back. His jaw was swollen and shoulder. You could see that he was beaten.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.